Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friend, all GSM friend. Today's subject Tecno Spark Go 2023 BF7 MDM file Permeant only CM2 update 100% tested. At you this mobile file my use and permanently work. Next time my YouTube channel. Now see you my GSM friend all country all the world. At first the download file, okay, and download not working, the WhatsApp email number chat now 24 hours service. This file password unzip password WhatsApp chat now 24 hours. Okay, my friend, the request time, the pray time not chat my, okay, but I am Muslim, so pray time not disturb me your WhatsApp 20 minutes. And other time every day, every time WhatsApp number chat now. Tecno Spark Go 2023 BF7N DM file Permeant only CM2 dongle 100% tested. Now the download, okay. Other file use the dump file start now. Now you see, okay. Tecno Spark Go 2023 BF7 and MDM file permanently only CM2 update. Okay, it's tested file, no tension. Okay, you clear download 24-hour service, WhatsApp number and email number. Okay, goodbye. Any problem? WhatsApp chat now. Goodbye.